Welcome back to the Daily Nugget. It's day 238 of 365. Euro USD long is on watch this week, and price is shaping up really nicely. Could play out now during late New York session, potentially heading up into Asian session. Could potentially only displace early London session tomorrow. But let's break it down quickly. Technically, from a high time frame perspective, if we look at the daily, price is within the bearish daily range, and so I should be looking to take price from that internal range liquidity down to that external point. But obviously, as I'm revising, the strategy, I'm taking more of an intraday approach. After the sell-off of the dollar, gain on Euro USD on Friday, that was following some of Jerome Powell's comments at Jackson Hole. Yeah, price rallied, and we basically corrected, all of that move, come into this 4-hour POI. We've mitigated that. I like that we then swept the previous daily low. So this was Monday's low. Come London session today, we swept that. And then we haven't had a major displacement to the upside. But what I do like is that we violated the swing point within, this corrective price action. That could be a minute 15 shift of structure, but it's a clear 1 hour swing point violation. And I'll be looking for price to come back down into this unmitigated POI before we then rally to the upside. There is the potential that we could come lower and sweep the previous daily lows again before we get the move to the upside. I think that will become clear now in this New York session. But just looking at the dollar index, we've fallen just short of the same areas. If you look at the 4-hour POI, that's unmitigated there. We've got the 1 hour resting just above, and price nearly mitigated that area as we swept the previous daily high. So I like that we've checked the box of both the dollar index and Euro USD have swept those previous daily significant highs or lows. But the fact that we've fallen just short of this POI on the dollar index tells me that we could potentially come into that area before we sell off, because obviously the bias is inverted, and so we may then go a bit deeper on Euro USD before we then get that move. So keep an eye on that. If you've got it on watch, just be mindful of the scenarios, getting tagged and tagged out. And yeah, remember that consistency is the choice you make when you start doing the things you should be doing day in and day out.